All of you know that what is meant by clustering. Clustering is the process of partitioning a set of data into a set of meaningful subclass called cluster. Let us start with the different method of clustering. First one, partitioning algorithm construct a various partition and then evaluate them by some criteria. Second one, hierarchic algorithm create a hierarchy decomposition of the set of data using some criteria. Third one, density based, that is based on the connectivity and density function. Fourth one, grid based, that is based on the multiple level granularity structure. And last one, model based, a model is hypothesized for each of the cluster and the idea is to find the best fit of that model to each other. And start with the first method, partitioning method. The basic concept, construct a partition of a database D of n object into a set of a k cluster. K is the given, find the partition of a k cluster. Choose the different method. First, global optimal. Second, historic method. Global optimal exhaustively enumerate all the partition. Historic method include k-mean and k-median algorithm. K-mean, each cluster is represented by center of the cluster, and k-median means each cluster is represented by one of the object in the cluster. Simple clustering is a k-mean clustering, okay, that work with a numeric data. Steps: first, pick up a number of a cluster center. Second, assign every item to its nearest cluster center. Third, move each cluster center to the mean of each assigned item. Fourth, repeat the step 2 and 3 until convergence. Let's see example. Here consider k equal to 2. Assign each object to the most similar center. Then update the cluster means. Again reassign. Again update the cluster means. Again reassign. That process is continue until the convergence. See example. First step, pick up k equal to 3 initial cluster centers randomly. Second step, assign each point to the closest cluster center. Third step, move each cluster center to the mean of each cluster. Fourth, reassign points closest to different new cluster center. Again reassign, recompute the cluster means, move the cluster center to the cluster means. Now start with k-median clustering method. In k-mean clustering, we take mean value of the object, but in k-median we consider the most centrally located object in the cluster. Find the representative object called median in the cluster. To achieve this goal, the distance from any two objects is needed. See working of k-median clustering. Start from an initial set of median and iteratively replace one of the median by one of the non-median if it improve the total distance of a resulting clustering. That k-median clustering is also called as a partitioning around median, that effectively work for the small data set but not for large scale. For large scale you have to use CLARA and CLARANS algorithms. CLARA, that is the clustering large application, and clustering large applications which are based on randomized search.